Where are we, Miss T?
We're going to our beach.
Our beach, yes. An undisclosed location. Our beach.
Location.
We're going to our beach.
Yeah.
And it's a nice walk.
Beautiful. And it's a hot day.
Oh, it's hot. It's like 20, 27 in the shade Celsius.
We're going to go jump in the ocean.
And it's going to get even hotter this weekend. It's Friday right now. So got home from work. And you know, it's quiet up here where we live. Like a jungle in here, eh? All the slough. So there's the ocean right there. Nice, eh? Tide out or in? Let's check it out. The tide is in, I think. It's okay.
Can I break that one?
Yeah, I'll break it. No, just flip it over. Here, I got it. Here, just give it to me. Ciao. I don't think anybody's... Yeah, be careful because the arbutus leaves are very slippery here.
Hey, stop it.
Tide is in. No, there's some beach there.
I think we need to...
Okay, I'll help you. Isn't that nice? It's still pretty warm down here.
Stop pulling.
Pretty warm. There's... And that. Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, it's beautiful. The sun's still hitting.
Oh, it's so nice. Look at the water. That's the beautiful Pacific Ocean.
Should I just let them run down on their own?
Yeah, as long as they don't take off. Watch an eagle. Doesn't eat them. Swoop down and grab them.
Eagles down there?
Oh, gotcha. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Isn't that nice? I hear a boat. Kahu? Let's watch the eagles, yeah. It only takes a second for an eagle to grab your doggy.
Jay. Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that.
You know what? They need a new piece of wood here.
Yeah, it's getting kind of sketchy.
New piece of wood there, or even a piece of rail, like metal.
So beautiful. What do you think?
Okay, Jay.
Get wiener nuts.
Come here. Go. Come on. It's okay. Oh, there you go.
Put your stuff here. Whoa.
Okay.
Yeah, that's sketchy.
Keep going.
I hear a boatie. Right there. Nice boat. Cruising over to Wallace Island, maybe?
Oh, wow.
What do you think of that?
Oh, I'm trying to love it.
Time to swim.
Isn't that nice?
Time to swim.
Yeah. I know, it's just so...
Beautiful.
You get kayakers.
This is paradise. Canada's paradise right here.
Actually, last time we were here, a bunch of kayakers.
Yeah, isn't that awesome?
Yeah, so nice.
Aloha.
One day we're going to have kayaks.
We'll go over to
We're gonna
Wallace
chain
Island,
them
camp
up.
over there.
We're going to have them here. Yeah.
Dogs you can go swimming too.